controlled over it. Second, let's talk about the rendering of services. Revenue is recognized based on the percentage of completion method, provided the outcome of the transaction can be reliably estimated. Next is interest, royalties, and dividends. Revenue is recognized on a time proportion basis using effective interest rate methods and on an accrual basis in accordance with the substance of the relevant agreements. Now, the limitations of AS9 is that it lacks a detailed guidance on complex revenue transactions. There is an absence of comprehensive framework for revenue recognition, and most importantly, there is limited focus on timing and measurement aspects of revenue. Now, coming to Ind AS. Ind AS was converged with IFRS to bring financial reporting in line with global standards. Ind AS 15, revenue from contract to customer, is a standard that addresses revenue recognition very comprehensively. It is aligned with IFRS 15 that provides the best framework of Indian companies with those of civil doctors. The core principles of AAS is that an entity should recognize revenue to direct transfer of promised goods or services to the customer in an amount that reflects the consideration to which the entity expects to be entitled in exchange for the goods or the services. Now, the core principles of Ind AS is that there is a five-step model of Ind AS 115. First is that we identify the contract with the customer. That is an agreement between the two parties that creates enforceable rights and obligations. Secondly, we identify the contract obligation in that contract, the performance obligation that is promised to transfer listed goods and services. Thirdly, we determine the transaction price, that is the amount that which the entity expects to receive. Fourth, we allocate the transaction price to the performance obligations. The transaction price is allocated to each performance obligation based on the relative standalone selling price of the goods or the services. And the fifth, most important, we recognize the revenues the entity satisfies the performance obligation.
सबुदिन पाठ पढ़ा और आज पढ़ा भितर डिफरेंस अच्छी आज बहुत बाहर स्पीकर आम आसुँच जो कि विभिन्न टेक्निकल टॉपिक अच्छे ऑडिटिंग हो टैक्सेशन हो तार विभिन्न टॉपिक अच्छे तो से टॉपिक पिला मानू एजुकेशन दिखाई माध्यम इंटरनेट माध्यम यहाँ कौन कि गोटे उत्सव भाया पिला लगुच गोटे निरा ढंग आम पालन कर वर्ष 2 दिन हूँ आज और काली प्राय सकाल निष्पत्ति आसला जो आशा कर सुरक्षित स्पोर्ट्स जोगदार आशा अच्छी याद्वारा आम पिला बहुत मोटिवेट कर गोटे पिला मोटिवेट करूँ पाठ जान बहुत कष्ट बहुत डिफिकल्ट कोर्स है बट पिला मोटिवेट हवा दरकार ना कोर्स अधार पिला छाड़ दे पेसेंस रही पाठटा को पास करा बहुत डिफिकल्ट पेसेंस पिला आम छाड़देव अधार छाड़देव तो ये जो मोटिवेशनल स्पीच रही मोटिवेट फिल्म करेंगे कम्प्लीट कर पाठ सी कला कौन कौन स्कोप रही है से जिन भी पढ़ा हम पिला जो ओडिया छात्र छात्री मैंने बाहर को जाऊँ सुजोग ओडार बहुत सुजोग सृष्टि ओडार बहुत पिला अब्जर्व होने तो मुझे तो पढ़ी भुवनेश्वर ये पढ़ी ये अब्जर्व होती बर्तमान निजर प्राक्ट अच्छी बहुत पिला ये पास कर एवं तो आहरी स्कोप बढ़ी इंडस्ट्री बहुत ग्रोथ बहुत